everybody.
Hey everyone, we got a mystery truck toy here, and Jack's been wanting to get one of these. Not sure why they call it mystery truck when there's already a Max D in here, so we already know who it is. But yeah, Jax likes this mystery truck. So let's open it.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. Okay. Yep, you get it. You just need to get a bowl of water. Okay. And your head. You want to wash it? Let's see. Whoa. Yeah. Turn it. Oh, like. Wiggle it. You want to wiggle it? It's all muddy. Whoa. Is it clean?
No.
Nope, not yet. Let's see. It takes a while to get cleaned, right?
Hmm?
Look, the water's all muddy. It's a little bit more.
Mm.
Want to keep washing it? Yeah. How about we change the water? Let's change the water.
Okay.
Okay?
Whoa.
Oh. And Max D is almost clean. Okay? Yeah. You clean now? I see colors are looking good. Is Max D green or orange?
Gray.
He's green?
Gray.
Gray?
Yeah. Your favorite.
Ooh, it's my favorite color.
Why you like a dog?
You like when I wiggle it? Oh.
See, clean.
Yeah, you want to do it?
Clean.
Clean. It's done.
Why you like a dog?
Yeah. It's like a dog. Done. Max D. Do you have this one? No, you don't, right? You don't have. Do you have Max D in your collection? Not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. A new addition for your collection is Max D.